So this week on the lift is this Thundercat 900. It's a 1997. So I am to the throttle safety switch on this, and it's not working right. You can see right here I have it hooked up to these two wires, and that is to these two inner ones are to the kill switch, and this is setting on the meter. To impedance. So that means one of these two and this are for the throttle safety switch. And that if I move this around, it loses contact. So I'm going to jump the outside and that one for throttle safety switch until I can replace this this assembly in here. So if you need to, if you want to test it, you could jump it. Make sure that's the problem for you, because you can hear it's not 100% on mine. So here is the piece of wire that I put in here. It is a piece of stranded wire. It's just jammed up in there, one piece on one side and one on the other, and that's all I needed. The kill switch still works, and I don't have any more TSS issues. Let's see if it'll start. First time in somewhere between 3-4 years. It's been a long time. Now, this thing's always started fairly easy. Never really puts up a fight, which is good. Okay, so I wanted to take a second to explain the video why I made this, what the sled was doing. A couple years ago when I rode it, it was, you'd start out and it would pop and sputter and run like garbage for the first 30 miles. After 30 miles, it would finally smooth out and run. I don't get many days a year to ride, so when it was running like crap, I stuck with it, even though it was running like crap. And it eventually smoothed out, but so I didn't think it was the throttle safety system, but it ended up being that. As you can see in the video, that's how I troubleshot this. I rode the sled yesterday, and it's running great. I had that 30-mile would run like shit for 30 miles happen to me 2 different times, the day apart. I rode it the first day, it ran the crap, smoothed out, finally ran good the rest of the day. Next day went out on another ride, same thing again, first 30 miles. So and I had just cleaned the carbs, I checked the compression, had new plugs. Everything seemed to be running right at idle, but it just wouldn't go. But it eventually smoothed out. So if you're having a problem like this, or any sort of problem where the sled isn't running right when you give it throttle, that would be the first thing I do, is to jump the TSS and rule that out. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you. If it does, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Thanks.